Hi beautiful people, in this video I'll be updating my Minoxidil experience. To make a long story short, I failed. I was super excited to see hair growth around my hairlines, but about 2 months ago, my scalp started itching and it was getting worse. Yes, I had contact dermatitis. So I was using Minoxidil on and off because of the side effects, itchiness. It is the most common side effect from Minoxidil. The main reason for this is an ingredient found in the product called propylene glycol. I completely stopped using it 5 weeks ago. Do you know what happened? My new hair around my hairline is all gone. They're gone. Absolutely gone. Now I switched over to regain foam, which doesn't contain propylene glycol. I've been using it only for 5 days so far, no itchiness. The biggest concern I had was my M-shaped hairline was getting deeper and wider as I age. I will update the video once I see the results from regain foam. Regain foam is a little bit different to Minoxidil. So Minoxidil is like liquid. This is like foam. So shake it up. Like that. Then just massage the area you want to treat. Mine is my M-shaped hairline. I'll show you my M-shaped hairline. I always hide my hairline because I don't like my M-shaped hairline. Show you. Da, da, da. Look at that. See? So the regain foam, you just massage around your hairline. Just once a day. I cannot wait to see the results. I will update the video once I see the results from regain foam. Thank you for watching. Be more beautiful, and I will see you very soon. Bye.